Hey guys, Scat here, and today we're going to be swapping on over the door sill guards to some yellow ones. The old ones, I have mentioned that they are red. We're going to be changing them over to the yellow ones that have a little honeycomb effect. I want to give a huge shout out to Mr. Daniel from BlackTopGraphix for sending me these. So we're going to be swapping those out. What we're going to be using, first off, to remove the door sill guards, the old one, is going to be a little bit of a glue gun. And you can use a heat gun or a blow hair dryer. In this case, I'm gonna go ahead and use the hair dryer to get that removed. And then to install the new one, I'm gonna be using a detailer to clean off all the surface. I got mine from Wax for Dads, which is a hybrid V7, works amazing. Definitely recommend this one as well. And we'll be using a rapid tack for a wet installation and a squeegee. Okay, so other than that, guys, let's go ahead and get this modification started.
Hellcat. Hellcat.
Alright guys, we're all finished up with the front side. As you guys saw, this is great vinyl, great quality. As you can see, as soon as I started heating it up, the vinyl started coming right off, leaving little to no residue. So huge shout out to Daniel for that. And if you guys want to get your own, go ahead and hit him up and he'll be able to get you guys some. So we're all done. What we're going to do is we're going to wait for the next 25 to 30 minutes, letting this dry up, and then we're going to be doing the rest and then come back and start cooling it off. So let's move on to the next one. Alright guys, there you have it. We're all complete with all the door seal guards installation. We swapped them out. You guys saw how that got removed and installed. So again, I want to give a huge shout out to Daniel from BlackTopGraphix. Go ahead and check him out. He has a ton. He doesn't just have door seal guards. He has a ton of other items that you guys could take a look at for your charger or Challengers. So go ahead and check them out. Now we're all complete and it matches all our trim. So the interior is finally complete, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Share this, comment, like, and thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.